It's a great day for content creation. Hey Debt Bullies, welcome to Debt Busters, where we give you YouTube automation, online video editor, and content creation knowledge to give your competition the beating they deserve. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn an article into a video in 3 easy steps using Pictory. By now you know that Pictory is the true successor to Vidnami's legacy of text-to-video conversion and automatic video creation. I'll show you how to take that idea one step further by turning your articles into video content, how you can try Pictory for free, and how you can get 40% off discount on the latest and greatest video creation software today. Stay tuned and make sure you don't miss anything. We're starting now. What is Pictory AI? Pictory is a cloud-based software that employs cutting-edge artificial intelligence (AI) to enable anyone to produce videos on demand. Videos have the highest user engagement of any type of material. Pictory allows you to save a significant amount of time and money when generating videos. Pictory's AI engine chooses the finest summary sentences for your finished video automatically. You have the option to include or exclude sentences from your final film. Blogging versus vlogging. If you're a side hustler or an entrepreneur, you may want to seriously consider adding video marketing to your business. There's a lot of money that can be made in old-fashioned blog content. According to Glassdoor, the average blogger wage is about $32,800 per year based on numerous anonymously submitted salaries. However, many full-time bloggers report earning more than $200,000 per year and work 10 to 30 hours each week. Even with that being said, video may prove to be a superior marketing tool to blogging. The #1 reason for producing more video content, according to expert content marketers, is because it has more engagement than other content types. In fact, 43% of customers want businesses to convey product or service information via video. Furthermore, video content is 10 times more likely to be engaged with and shared than other content types, according to Content Marketing Institute. Without a doubt, video marketing is preferred by 92% of marketers in their marketing plan. Video can also raise conversion rates by up to 80%. That's not all. Video can raise email open rates by up to 19%. Converting articles to video. Many people know that Pictory is easily able to convert written text to video. I employ this same method when creating my videos for YouTube. I type out my script as normal, paste the script into Pictory, and I allow it to pick the video clips that go along with my topic. I'm easily able to change any clips that Pictory's AI selected if I don't like them. What you may not know is that Pictory is easily able to take internet articles and repurpose the content into a video. Have you ever considered turning your blog post into a video? It can be an excellent strategy to attract even more readers and increase conversions. According to molecular researchers, if we hear something, our brain will only retain 10% of it. We will recall 65% of this information if it's accompanied by a picture. When you think about it, that is a significant distinction. When it comes to video, it's even more effective than statistic graphs. 4 times as many people would rather watch a product video than read about it. According to co-founder and chief marketing officer of Orbit Media, Andy Crestodona, the perfect blog post has a video on it. How to convert blog posts into a video step by step. Step 1. What's your plan? Consider the following questions before beginning creating videos. What is the specific goal of your video? Do you want to create a teaser for a blog article, or will it encompass each paragraph of your content? You should then design a storyboard for the video based on the purpose you wish to achieve with it. For example, if it's a video preview for an entire blog, create a vlog slideshow by putting the title of each paragraph on a new slide. Step 2. Head to Pictory.ai. Select the blog you'd like to repurpose into a video. Please remember that it is highly unethical to repurpose other people's blogs into videos without their permission. If you're already a Pictory.ai user, head over to the website and log in. If you're not a Pictory.ai user, check out my link in the description and use the free 30-day trial to follow along. If you like what you see, I'll tell you how to get Pictory for 40% off later in the video. You'll be presented with the projects page, and you'll have the option to select article to video, script to video, visuals to video, or edit videos with voice using text. For this exercise, we're going to choose article to video. Enter the URL for the article you would like to convert and press proceed. Once you enter the URL, Pictory will begin extracting the key messages in the article. Pictory will show your whole article on the left side of the screen and AI-powered key messages on the right. The AI-powered key messages algorithm will highlight the main ideas in each paragraph of the article and estimate the video's duration in the bottom right-hand corner. You can also add to the key messages by highlighting any sentences in the source article on the right-hand side that you'd like. Once you're done with key messages, click the Next button. Next, you'll select the aspect ratio for the video. Aspect ratio is the ratio of the width to height of an image or scene. Please understand that 16:9 Landscape is the standard size video that is viewed on most platforms, including YouTube. Once you select the aspect ratio, Pictory will begin processing and creating your video. Pictory's AI engine chooses the best photos and video clips to represent the summary sentences. Pictory has approximately 3 million royalty-free visuals licensed from diverse sources. For a variety of reasons, some people are hesitant to use stock video. Some people believe that a stock video are easily identifiable and you can tell when a film is from a video bank. To some extent, this is correct. These aesthetics can be easily changed with a single click, and you may even use your own components. At Deptbusters, we believe in using stock videos is okay as long as they are arranged in a unique and distinct way. You might achieve this by using text and a call to action. Step 3. Editing and downloading your video. Video works best when it's accompanied by text. While a fantastic visual with music may still work in some industries, most consumers now watch videos on social media with the sound turned off. Put text in your blog video to help your readers understand what it's about. You might want to provide a blog post title or a brief summary of each paragraph. Adjust the length of time your messages stay on the screen based on the length of the text. Longer sentences, by definition, take longer to read. Even with shorter messages, you should leave the text for at least 3 seconds. This provides viewers with adequate time to read it. When adding text, don't forget to include a call to action in your video. It might be anything from read more to subscribe for more content or link in the description or anything else you deem necessary. Just make sure your call to action does what it's supposed to do. It tells your audience what to do next. Pictory will add the words that snag from the key message algorithm. Going into settings will allow you to display or hide text, visual zoom and pan, and turn background music on or off for the entire video or just for the scene. You can also increase or decrease the scene duration by half-a-second intervals. You can even upload voiceover audio you've already recorded or record your own voiceover audio on the spot. Once you've edited the video to your liking, click the preview button to watch the video. The Storyblocks watermark on the video will disappear in the final downloadable version of your video. When you're ready to create the final version of the video, click Generate. The time it takes Pictory to turn articles into videos can take a few minutes and largely depends on the speed of your internet connection. Once your video is generated, you may share it directly from Pictory or download it to your computer. Common errors when turning articles into video. Okay, you turned your article into a fantastic video. What comes next? To ensure that your blog and of course the video in it performs well, avoid the 4 most common blunders. Remember to include the video in the blog post. When you finish making a video for a blog post and shared it on social, don't forget to return the blog post and embed the video. Not only will it increase your interaction rates, but will also assist your blog's SEO. Google is crazy about videos. Number 2, there's no indication that there is a video attached to the post. You put forth a lot of effort to make your video stand out, so why not inform readers right away that there's a video embedded within the post? Put the term video at the beginning or end of the blog post to alert readers that there's something to watch. You may want to position the video above the fold, i.e. near the beginning of the page, so that people notice it when they first open the blog post. Number 3, there's no blog optimization. If you host videos on YouTube, Wistia, or another platform, the iframe embedding code will most likely have preset dimensions such as width 560, height equals 315. However, every blog design is unique and these measurements may not be ideal. Make certain that the criteria for your personal blog's width are optimized. And number 4, there's no description. Don't forget to include descriptions to the video you embed. It's always a good idea to let the user know what he or she will see in the video. The Debt Bully discount. Are you a debt bully who's interested in using Pictory to create faceless content? Well, you're in luck. I've negotiated a 40% discount off Pictory's already very reasonable prices. Use the link in the description along with the promo code KMB40 to receive 40% off all tiers of service for both monthly and annual subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, then check out these videos on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.